How to turn on notifications on Telegram X. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn it on. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon, and here there's a section called Settings. Simply tap on Settings. So now we're in this Settings interface. Basically, this is the place where you can customize and have different options. So here there's a section called Notifications. Simply tap on Notifications. So here you can find different categories and subcategories of notification. So here, if you slowly scroll down, there are different categories available. So simply tap on the one that you want to enable. So here I'm tapping on one. So after you do this, you can customize and turn on the one that you need. You can simply go back and it's all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.